Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add a website to Google Analytics. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to analytics.google.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or of course register if you don't have one yet. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the home, reports, explore, and advertising. And we also have the admin panel. In the top right corner, we have some more stuff about your Google Analytics profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add a website to Google Analytics. It is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps. So step one is to sign in and choose an account. Of course, first log into your Google Analytics account and select the website in which you'd like to add a new property. So when you selected your website, then set new property settings. Click the create drop down and select property to go and select your property settings, of course. Now, what you need to do guys is go and enter your property details. So you'll need to go and enter all the details about your property. And then the last thing that you actually need to do guys is go and install your tracking code. So go and install your tracking code to complete this action. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.